The film which you are about to see is an account of tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths. In particular, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they could see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history: the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre!